How to get cheaper ads on Facebook. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So how can you get cheaper ads on Facebook? Facebook is a bidding system. So when you have an ad, then you're actually bidding against other advertisers in the same niche, other advertisers who want to show ads to the same group of people that you want to show ads to. And Facebook is not only interested in the business who wants to bid the most, they're actually more interested in showing the user, the people that are using Facebook, showing them ads that they like to watch. Because if people, they see a bunch of stuff that they don't really like to watch, then they're probably not going to spend as much time on Facebook, and therefore they are not going to be able to serve them as many ads. And they may go to other apps, other platforms to use those instead of Facebook. So it's very important for Facebook to keep the user happy. And the way they do that is they reward advertisers who have ads that the users actually like to watch. It's just like when you're making a normal post, and if you make a post that the people like to watch, then Facebook boosts it, and that's how some posts can go viral. And it's the same with your ad. If you get an ad that gets a lot of comments and likes and shares, something that is engaging, then Facebook will reward you by giving you a cheaper CPM. So you pay less for your ad. The CPM means cost per 1,000 impression. The M doesn't mean million, it means 1,000, because the M is the Latin word for 1,000. Or the Latin letter for 1,000. So when you have an engaging post that or ad that people like to watch, then you get a lower CPM, and so your ad is shown to more people for a lower cost. So, but there is a little trick that you can do. If you're spending a decent amount of money on your Facebook ad, then you can run an engagement campaign together with your sales campaign or your lead campaign. And what they'll do is you run that engagement campaign, and the engagement campaign is going to give you lots of likes and comments and shares. It's not going to give you any sales or leads, but because you get a lot of likes, comments and shares, then your sales campaign will get cheaper. It's going to get a lower CPM. But just make sure that you're running the engagement campaign and the sales campaign to the same ad ID. Every ad has an ID number, so make sure that you run it to the same ad ID number. Otherwise, it's going to be shown to different ads, and it's not going to work. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more, comment below if you have any questions, and share it with someone who might find it useful also. And if you're a coach or consultant and you're looking for more clients or leads, then we specialize in getting clients and leads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me to learn more about it. Right now we have an offer where you only pay when you actually get a paying client, but we're not going to have this offer for much longer, so book a call with me now to learn more about it. Link in the description. Also, we have some free downloads as a free Facebook ad template if you want to run your own Facebook ads for coaches and consultants. Go ahead and download that. Then we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more about organic marketing, so go ahead and download that. And also join our free Facebook group where you can get more tips from me and other advertisers. Also link in the description. And thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye.